are you going to be on June 2nd?
Nothing pairs with a Backstage conveyor dryer quite like
a ROQ automatic press. That's why we're excited to be representing Backstage International at ROQFest. Keep rocking and we'll see you there.
Grimco's going to ROQFest!
Hey, this is Jim at Multi-Craft. See you out at ROQFest on June 2nd.
What's up, decorated apparel industry? Cassie Green here from Apparelist and Printing United Alliance, here to get you super ramped, super excited for ROQFest, happening June 2nd in Clermont, Florida. We know you want to attend this celebratory event, one day only. Make sure you get registered. Find all the details at apparelist.com.
Screen Printing Magazine can't wait to attend ROQFest.
Hi, this is Taylor with Lawson Screen and Digital Products, and we're super excited to be going to ROQFest and showing off some new DTF equipment.
Hell yeah, Avian's coming to ROQFest!
We can't wait to attend ROQFest.
Hell yeah, Cape Trek is going to ROQFest!
Oh yeah, we're going!
Hey, this is Multi-Craft Daddy. I'll see you at the ROQFest, June 2nd down in Florida. We'll see you there. Rock on.
Supercolors coming to ROQFest! Yeah!
wherever there is ink, you will find us. Wherever there is apparel to be printed, we will be there. Wherever there is line moves, you will find the Made Lab team at ROQFest in Florida.
I'm going to ROQFest!